Hello team, welcome to IT interviews. Today we are going to see top 4 demanding skills with high salary in IT industry. So the fourth one is the UI UX designer. So basically, as the number of website demands are increasing and people who are creating those websites need to have look and feel and interactive pages on their websites, as well as the pages should be look like it will attract the customers to buy such things on the, and it will also helps to grow the business by selling out such products. So these people are responsible to create the templates for the website, and the tools they use is like Sketch and InVision Studio. If you want to become a UI UX designer, you need to learn these kind of tools, and then again a creative mind is also required to have to create such kind of templates, and which will definitely attract the customers to buy or sell the things over the website. So let's go to the next skill. So for third one is the UI developer. Again, the UI developer is actually responsible for implementing those design templates which are provided by the UX designer. So they uses HTML, CSS and JavaScript to create the actual pages, and they, after creating those pages, they provide it to the backend developers, and then the backend developer integrate these pages into the softwares, and also they need to keep themselves updated with the new front-end technologies like React. So also they have to take care of the different kind of devices, how the page will behave on the mobile, desktop, etc. So let's move to the second one. So this is automation QA. As we know, the softwares and websites are increasing, so businesses needs don't want to hire people to test all these softwares and their website. So they need to reduce the human efforts, and they need to do the cost cutting by having these automation tools, and so that they will not need to wait to perform particular kind of test on the software. So also some of the things which cannot be tested manually, if we if we try to test it on the softwares, which it will take it will consume a definite large amount of human effort. So in order to reduce that, businesses are looking forwards for automation and automation QA testings. So this is the again demanding skill in IT industry. So the last one is nothing but the Power BI developer. So people we know every organization is having the large chunks of data. So in order to make the business decisions, they need to work on this data and have to come up with the meaningful outputs which will help to grow their business. So Power BI developers works on this kind of data, which could be in the form of structured data or unstructured data, and they will provide the output of their analysis in the form of reports and graphs. So in order to do these operations, the Microsoft provide the tool called Power BI, as well as one should be good in SQL and SQL Server in order to process that data. So that's all from my side. We need to learn these things, these 4 skills to get the high paying salary jobs. So that's all from IT interviews. Thank you for